Hello student, today in the 10th class SST economics first lesson development which I am going to start today, as I have told on yesterday that there was the introduction of the economics. So in this lesson we will discuss the principles of the development. In the first I will clear the term development. Development means the quality of the goods or the status of life become better than the previous stage, that is called the development. And there are many sentences that can clear the term development. Development means when we find the some kind of the achievement, some kind of the prosperity, some kind of the success in our age, in our health, in our environment, in our you will say public facilities, in our you will say different type of the other areas. When we find the better income, when we find the better job facilities, when we find the better health facilities, when we find many of the things which can matter the life toward the success, toward the achievement, so that is called the development. Development is not a very limited or very you will say narrow term which is very important not for the economic life, but also it is important for the history, it is very important for the geography. And as we have seen, the development of any country can be start from its birth, and development can be observed, can be considered for throughout the you will say life throughout the period. So in such a way, development is not a very limited term. Development can be seen by the different people, development can be seen by the different government, development can be seen by the different people who are working in the different areas. And development not only seen for the related of the human life, but also development can be seen for the earth life. Development can be seen for the good quality of the climate, good quality of the weather, good quality of the we will say circumstances which can prefer a good life for the people. So development is a very broad term, and which we can discuss in the lesson. In the first I want to bring the attention all of you towards the development. Development have the three kind of the aspects, three kind of the will say principles, and one by one we will discuss them. Different people have different goals. This is the first will say principle. Second is the what may be development for one, not be development for others. Means sometimes the developmental goals are destructive. Developmental goals are destructive. And next one is people looks at mixed goal. So there are three conditions where we will discuss them one by one, and we will find out how the development can be seen by the different people, how the development can be seen by the group of people, how the development can be seen in a very destructive way. So in the first, different people have different goals. As a student you have seen table number 1.1, you will see different kind of the people has been given in the list, and second column where you will find that some columns are filled and some columns are will say left vacant. So these columns which are left vacant, which you have to fulfill it, and those columns which are already filled, where you have to maintain your understanding. There are different people who are living in the village, those who are not having the land, and some people who are living in the big cities. Some boys are studying in the universities. So there are different people, and different people have the different type of the goals, such as the landless farmer who is living in a very small village. So their developmental goals can be different from the farmers who is living in the Punjab, because the farmers who is living in a small village, they have the developmental goals that they should get the proper facilities of the irrigation, they should get the proper facilities for their production of the crops from the different type of the other you will say problems. And the farmers who is living in the Punjab, they have the different type of the goals. They want to get the you will say MSPs in their crops, they want to get the good facilities in their agriculture, especially they want to promote their commercial agriculture, they want to send their children to the abroad countries. So this is the differences between the two people. Their goals are not contrasting, I am telling about here. Their different people have different goals, such as the girls and the boys. The girls, she want the same you will say right as her brothers get. So the boy who have the different type of the goals than the girl. The boys want to get the good education, all the comfort in life, he want to go abroad. These are the difference between the boys and the girls. So many of the situations has been given according to the person, according to the people, where you have to consider your approach, your notions, and you have to maintain your one sentence about the person, about the people, about the group of people, and which are very likely to near their goals. So different people have different goals, and goals can be seen not very similar by the every people, because what may be developmental goal for one may not be developmental goal for others. It means goals can be contrasted, goals can be destructive. How the goals can be destructive? There is very simple example for better understand. Dam. There are two people who are affected or concerned by the dam. The person who are living around the area of the dams means the Adivasi, and second one is industrialist. These two people have the two consideration about the dam. Adivasis, they don't want to leave their own area. Industrialists, they want to get the electricity. They want to get the electricity to run their industries. So Adivasi, they also facing the problem of dislocations. They have to leave their own hometown, native places, and they have to faces many other difficulties in their life, because they have to move from their own natural places and they have to settle in the nearby places or the far off places. So they obviously they have to face the problem. It means the people have the different goals, and sometimes the goals cannot be similar for every people, because goals which can be contrasted between the two people, because goals which can be achieved by the person, that is not sure that all the people have the same notion over the one you will say situations, one circumstances. They have the different type of the you will say living standard, they have the different type of the notions, they have the different type of the environment, they have the different type of the you will say cultures, or many kind of the other things which can lead their life in the different way. So obviously they have the different goals. And next one is the people looks at the mixed goal. Means people they want to get the good income, and along with income some people want to get the will say security, some people want to get the healthy conditions in the jobs area, some people want to get the kind of you will say respects in their working area, especially the women. They want to get the equal wages, and as they are getting the equal wages, they also desire that they should get the same treatment as their male fellow friends are getting there in an area. So obviously some people have the mixed goals, and we can discuss also towards the people who are living in the communities, those who are living in the societies. They have the common goals which are mostly mixed with each other, because income is the material goals and these two goals are the non-material goals. Income is a very important criterion for measuring the development. Obviously it is very important, but it is not very important, because income, it can provide you the all commodities, all kind of the materials which make your life better, but other important non-material goals which are also sometimes very important, but mostly times these non-material goals mostly ignored by the people, and all the people think about only the income, because income is only the criteria which can provide all kind of the situations which can make their life better. Okay students, so there are the three principles which I have discussed today, and tomorrow I will discuss about the countries, how do they compare with each other, the state which are compare with each other, and what are the different type of the criterions which are used. So student, I will leave a question here. What are the different type of the goals? You have to make a column and classify these different type of the goals in the classify table, and you have to also write the you will say conditions as well as their example also. So hope student you enjoy the lesson, and if you understand my point, you can like, share and subscribe my channel. Please do it. Okay, thank you to listen me and watching me. Bye bye.